Hi friends, welcome back to Keto Diet Daily, your go-to spot for delicious, healthy, and low-carb meal inspiration. Today's video is a special compilation of our top 5 most loved and most viewed keto seafood recipes. If you're a fan of fish, shrimp, or even crab, these dishes are perfect. They're easy to make, super satisfying, and 100% keto approved. From creamy salmon to lemon butter baked cod, these recipes are here to make your weeknight dinners healthier and tastier than ever. Give them a try and drop a comment below telling us which recipe made your taste buds sing. Alright, let's dive into the seafood deliciousness. Recipe number 1, creamy salmon fillet. This creamy salmon is rich, flavorful, and totally comforting, perfect for keto nights. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1 TBSP butter, 2 garlic cloves minced, 100 milliliters heavy cream, 30 grams grated Parmesan cheese, 1 handful spinach leaves, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat olive oil in a pan on medium high. Season salmon with salt and pepper and sear 4 minutes each side. Remove and set aside. In same pan, melt butter. Add garlic and cook 30 seconds. Pour in cream and stir in Parmesan. Simmer until slightly thick. Add spinach and cook until wilted. Return salmon to the pan and coat with sauce. Tip: garnish with parsley and lemon zest for a fresh finish. Recipe number 2, garlic shrimp skillet. Sizzling shrimp with garlicky goodness in just minutes, weeknight perfection. Ingredients: 300 grams large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 TBSP olive oil, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1/2 TSP paprika, 1 TBSP lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: heat olive oil in a skillet on medium heat. Add garlic and cook 30 seconds. Add shrimp and season with paprika, salt, and pepper. Cook 2 to 3 minutes each side until pink and opaque. Finish with lemon juice and garnish with parsley. Variation: add a pinch of chili flakes for a spicy twist. Recipe number 3, tuna stuffed avocado. A no-cook, fresh, and filling keto meal perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, halved and pitted. 1 can tuna in water, drained. 2 TBSP mayonnaise, 1 TSP Dijon mustard, 1 TBSP chopped celery, salt and pepper to taste, squeeze of lemon juice. Instructions: in a bowl, mix tuna, mayo, mustard, celery, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Scoop a little avocado out to make room. Mash it into the tuna mix. Fill the avocado halves with the tuna mixture and serve cold. Tip: sprinkle with paprika or chili flakes for an extra kick. Recipe number 4, baked cod with lemon butter. Flaky, buttery cod baked to perfection with just a few simple ingredients. Ingredients: 2 cod fillets, 2 TBSP melted butter, 1 TBSP lemon juice, 1/2 TSP garlic powder, 1/2 TSP dried parsley, salt and pepper to taste. Lemon slices for garnish. Instructions: preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place cod in a baking dish. Mix melted butter, lemon juice, garlic powder, parsley, salt, and pepper. Pour mixture over the fillets and top with lemon slices. Bake 15 to 20 minutes until fish flakes easily. Variation: add asparagus or zucchini in the dish for a one-pan dinner. Recipe number 5, crab zucchini cakes. Savory, crispy crab cakes with a healthy twist. Zucchini adds moisture and nutrients. Ingredients: 200 grams crab meat, 1 small zucchini, grated and squeezed dry, 1 egg, 2 TBSP almond flour, 1 TBSP mayonnaise, 1 TSP Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for frying. Instructions: in a bowl, mix crab, zucchini, egg, almond flour, mayo, mustard, salt, and pepper. Form small patties with your hands. Heat olive oil in a pan and fry patties 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden and crisp. Tip: serve with keto-friendly aioli or avocado sauce for dipping. My friends, thank you so much for watching. If you love these seafood recipes, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy, keto-friendly meals every week. Got a favorite from today's lineup? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Share this with your fellow keto friends and keep cooking with confidence. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay keto. See you next time on Keto Diet Daily.